Hi, good afternoon. Manju here and welcome to SQL Master YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to discuss with you about ETL testing bug life cycle. So what actually the ETL testing bug life cycle is here. So before moving to video, kindly subscribe to my channel SQL Master YouTube channel if you're not subscribed to get more videos about ETL testing, SQL, Oracle and queries and interview queries and questions. Okay, so what is actually the bug life cycle? Bug life cycle is whenever defect occur, so the tester can raise the defect report to the particular developer. So this is all happening with a team, like discussion is happening with the team lead, on-site coordinator and developer and client and tester. Okay, based upon that call discussion, the tester will be going to raise the defect report to the particular developer. So before raising the defect report, the tester himself involves in the to test the defect. So by investing some time, so he only try to resolve that. So if it is not resolved by himself, then he can take action to raise the defect report to the particular developer. So okay, let us move to the picture here so you can understand things properly. Okay, so this is what the bug life cycle here. So you can observe here, whenever during testing, if tester got a new defect, the new one, he is open. Okay, he raised the defect report to the particular developer. So then the developer undergo 4 scenario here. Okay, so you can see here the 4 scenario of developer can be undergo. First one is rejected, and second one is duplicate, third one is deferred, and fourth one is assigned. Okay, so whenever that is valid, and he can go for these 4 scenarios. Okay, then what is the reject here? So if a tester open a defect report to the particular developer, and developer may think that this is invalid. Okay, so this might be not considered as defect, because developer can be know the things while during developing, okay, codes. So if it is invalid, he can go as maintain status as rejected. So then what is duplicate? So if one tester is opening, that is raising the defect report, then already other tester raised the same defect report, then it will be considered as duplicate. So this is what duplicate status. So what is the deferred here? So deferred means the whatever the defect report raised by the tester is not going to be considered in this release. Okay, might be it is considered in future release, but that is not a big issue, so they will not consider in present release, so it will be treated as deferred. So then what is assigned here? When move forward to assign, the developer goes if it is valid, and he will be fix that. So after fixing this issue, the tester will again retest and undergoes 2 scenarios, like closed, because if the fixed issue is already satisfactorily or completely successfully fixed by the developer, then the tester retest that and maintain status as closed. Otherwise, if again tester find a new bug or the related bug only, then he can again reopen status, because until and unless the developer has to be fixed that, otherwise the tester will have to maintain again to raise the defect report to the same particular developer, this with status as reopened. So again has to, the cycle is going to repeat here. So again then when the tester is reopening that the defect report, then the again the developer might have to be test that, okay, check that code once again, then again he has to fix that issue. So when it is successfully fixed issue, then again once again the tester will retest that defect, and if it is successfully fixed, then he maintain finally closed status. So otherwise again he has to start from reopening the defect report, because this cycle is as go on until the defect is to be fixed. So this is what called as defect report, sorry, bug life cycle. Okay, so before raising this defect, the tester has to discuss, first involve himself to by investing some time to test that, okay, whether it is actually a defect or actually a bug or not. So if it is actually bug, then he has to raise the defect report, and this is all happening with the team called on-site coordinator and team lead and client and with developer. So based upon this call discussions, he can able to raise the defect report. And also probably if sometimes consider one scenario like that, if tomorrow is release and today the tester evening or at the end of the duty he can find the defect report defects, then what he must have to do, okay. So this is one of the very important questions in interview perspective in SQL or in ETL testing. So tester may go have two scenarios here, okay. So first he tried to solve that himself. So if it is solved, then it is okay. If it is not solved at all, he has to contact to team lead. So and with team lead, with complete team, he has to contact to on-site coordinator and with client also, because to client the team has to give a message or convenience the how much the defect is impacting the module or the surrounding modules while testing. So because of that, these people, the team can convenience them and take some extra time, okay. So most probably this is happening in some of the most of the cases. So while because of that, in that situation they can acquire some more time to resolve this issue, and this is only happening with the client discussion, and these team can convenience the client by explaining the defect impacting how much it is having impacting. So this is what the thing here I am going to explain in this video. So if you really like this video, like it, and kindly subscribe to my channel, SQL Master YouTube channel, so that I am very happy to make more videos in this regard. So I will be with you in my next video. So till that, bye bye, have a nice day, take care, thank you.